Hey everyone. Today we're diving into something super futuristic and exciting, quantum computing. Now, I know it might sound like science fiction or something from a superhero movie, but don't worry. I'm going to explain it in a way that's really simple to understand. Let's get started. What is quantum computing? Let's begin with the definition. Quantum computing is a new kind of computing that uses the strange powers of quantum physics to solve problems that normal computers can't handle easily. Okay, now let's break it down. Imagine your regular computer is like a super fast calculator. It thinks using bits, which are like little switches. Each bit can be either 0 off or 1 on. Everything from video games to websites is built using just these zeros and ones. Now here comes the fun part. Quantum computers don't use regular bits, they use quantum bits or qubits. What are qubits? A qubit is special. It can be 0, 1, or both 0 and 1 at the same time. Wait, what? How can something be 0 and 1 at once? Well, this is where quantum physics comes in, the science that explains how really, really tiny things, like atoms, behave in ways that are super weird and amazing. This special power is called superposition and entanglement. Let me explain two cool words. Superposition means a qubit can be in many states at once. Entanglement means qubits can be linked together like twins, so when you know one, you instantly know the other, even if they're far apart. It's like having magical coins that spin in the air, and when one lands heads, the other one automatically lands tails, even if it's on the other side of the world. This magic helps quantum computers do many calculations at once. How is it different from regular computers? Let's say you want to solve a giant maze. A normal computer goes through one path at a time. A quantum computer tries all paths at once using its qubit superpowers. That's why quantum computers can solve some problems much faster than even the best supercomputers today. Real-life examples of quantum use. Quantum computing could help us in discovering new medicines faster, solving climate change problems, making better batteries, securing information and data. And who knows, maybe one day it will help us invent flying cars too. Famous quote. Here's a great quote by Richard Feynman, a famous physicist. If you think you understand quantum mechanics, you don't understand quantum mechanics. It means even the smartest people find quantum stuff strange, but that's also what makes it fun. Will quantum computers replace normal ones? Not really. Quantum computers are not better at everything. They're like super special tools. Think of it like this. A regular computer is like a bicycle, great for everyday rides. A quantum computer is like a rocket, built for going to space. Both are awesome in their own ways. So today we learned, quantum computers use qubits, not just zeros and ones. They use the powers of superposition and entanglement. They can solve big, complex problems much faster. Quantum computing could change science, medicine, and the future. It's one of the most exciting fields today, and maybe one day you could be a quantum scientist. If you like this video, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for our next one. More fun tech topics are coming your way.